War on Drugs 2.0 gi manung channa ngasi numit yung ba khara helakpa adwaida heroin number 4 powder ni chingnaba gram chatruka humfudra mathoi Kakching police na seize tawkhre. Kakching SP Shri Phagatkhre mityeng makhada additional SP operation Kakching Binoy Chongtham gi liching makhada Palel police station ga commando Kakching amadi nupi commando gi kangbu yawa tim amana Palel lomdagi lakpa samu machu gi Hyundai i10 Magna registration number na MN03A/0915 asi Palel police station gate mamang da khamnanaba signal pirabasu khongzel yang na thoduna nanthokina ba hotna badagi Palel police amadi commando gi kangpuna tanaduna Laimanai Chingjin checkpost gari adu khamhan khibaga loinana soft gas yankhai da heroin number 4 powder ni chingnaba gram chatruka humbudra mathoi adu gari adu da yawram khibani hairi Gari adu thaurakhiba mioi adu Technopol district ke manung channa moregi Yangoibung village tagi lungkhong pau haukip ki chahi kungani thoi shuraba machanopa thangminlan haukip ni haiba khangbangam khibaga loinana makha taba legal action ki damak Kakching police station da sinakhre hairi.
In a joint operation between Commando Unit Kakching and teams of Palel Police Station, 671 grams of suspected heroin powder have been seized. The said seizure was made at Palel Commando checkpost after a vehicle suspected to be carrying contraband was chased from Palel Police Station gate. The driver of the vehicle is identified as Thangmin Lal Hokip, a resident of Yangubung More, Technopal district, and the vehicle was a Hyundai i10 Magna, grey in color vehicle. The arrested person and the seized contraband and the vehicle will be handed over to Kakching police station for further legal necessary action.
IZR South ki makha da Assam Rifles Technopol Battalion na aranba mawong da border lana puna ba hotna ramba potlam kaya Phagatkhre ngamkhre Technopol district ki Jawa village tagi Assam Rifles na Phagatkhre ba potlam sing adudi yungang cigarette chana thakna bagi potlam kaya amasung electronic ke potlam sing ni potlam sing adu Lupa Lakh taruk hen bagi oigani hairi Phagalaba potlam sing adu more gi custom representative da khusinakre hairi.